In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change currency on Instagram products. Changing currency on Instagram products is crucial for enhancing the global accessibility and user experience of your offerings. By displaying prices in users' local currencies, you simplify the purchasing process, eliminating the need for them to calculate exchange rates and providing clear transparency. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Let's say this is the product you want to post on your Instagram. Just tap onto this option of Add Product Details. Select on this option of Change Currency. You will then choose any currency of your own choice. Tap on Done. Your product currency will get changed successfully. This ensures compliance with legal requirements in various regions, ultimately contributing to a seamless and positive interaction with your brand on Instagram. That's how easy it is to change your currency on Instagram product. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.